Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the LG 49 with the LG 40 and I'm going to show you the important things that you need to know. So they're both IPS, aspect ratio is better for 49, 30, not what is better, right? So it's like different, 39, 32 to 9 comparing to 21 to 9. Here comes another thing, the maximum brightness you have better for 49 comparing to 40. You have 400 units comparing to 300 and peak is 500 nits comparing to nothing. 300. So the brightness is better. Then also this is going to be the most important thing from this video in regards to the comparison is that refresh rate is better for LG 49 comparing to LG 40. So this is another thing that you actually need to know. And curvature is better also for LG 49 and pixel per inch is better for the 40. So they got both DisplayPort 2 times HDMI here. Both power delivery is the same, and that's pretty much it. So I just want to share this quick video for you. Have a great day and goodbye.